So everybody, how are you guys? Good morning. Welcome to Imperial. Distracted, you can do it. You want me to do it for you? Or you want me to bring my 5-year-old daughter and do it? Do it. Back to Imperial. One of the guys want to pick up the SLS, and he's out of time. Like he has to have it like right now. So let's go. Wow! What? That was like... we are at Lamborghini Houston. It's Cars and Coffee time. I'm ready to experience this car. Welcome to Jessica Robinson's fashion show. Come on, let's go. Guess what day it is? It's Sunday Fun Day. We're taking all these Lambo on a hill country drive. Stay tuned. Okay, yeah. No texting while driving. That's fucking bad. Yes, you're right. Can you just take the steering wheel for me? Just kidding. Hey, boy. No, sorry, I'm so sorry. I wasn't on my phone, okay? Watermelon sugar, hi. Blame it on the watermelon. Fashion show. Oh, we're taking the Euros and we're taking the SVJ. Stay tuned. The coolest restroom walk path. Oh my god, you're locking the door on me. We'll push that door. Let's pick up the McLaren. So we can go to McLaren Houston. So they have like a soft opening, or it's like a soft grand opening. Then also they're gonna be showing me the new 765 LT, so that's gonna be badass. Let's kick ass, brother. Welcome to my garage. Nah, I'm just kidding.
But for sure you have to replace the...
you have to replace the radiator. Love you, Papa.
I am your father.
Oh, no, I'm just fucking with you. I'm Mr. Still Your Girl.